Listen up, garden enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a single wooden pallet into a fantastic mini raised bed that'll have your neighbors wondering about your DIY superpowers. This project is perfect for urban gardeners, those with limited space, or anyone looking to upcycle and save some serious cash. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me tell you why this project is a game changer. Pallets are often free or incredibly cheap, readily available, and perfect for creating a compact growing space. You'll be recycling materials, saving money, and growing your own food. Talk about a win-win. First, gather your supplies. You'll want a standard wooden pallet, preferably one that's clean and hasn't been treated with harmful chemicals. Look for pallets marked HT, heat-treated, which are safe for gardening. You'll also need landscape fabric or heavy-duty trash bag, staple gun, screws, drill, saw, sandpaper, exterior wood sealant, optional but recommended, potting soil, gardening gloves. Start by thoroughly inspecting your pallet. Check for any loose boards, protruding nails, or rough spots. Safety first, plant warriors. Use your sandpaper to smooth out any potentially splinter-creating surfaces. Trust me, nobody wants a garden project that ends with a trip to the first aid kit. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to turn this humble pallet into a garden haven in just a few simple steps. First, decide on your orientation. Most pallets have spaces between boards that are perfect for creating planting sections. I like to stand the pallet vertically. This creates multiple planting levels and maximizes your growing space. If your pallet has wide boards, you're in luck. These create natural compartments for different plants. Herbs, small vegetables, and flowering plants will love these cozy spaces. Take your landscape fabric or heavy-duty trash bag and line the back and sides of the pallet. This prevents soil from falling out while allowing for drainage. Use your staple gun to secure the fabric. Make sure to leave some small drainage holes. Plants hate wet feet. Depending on your pallet's condition, you might want to reinforce it. Use additional screws to secure any loose boards. If you're planning to place this on a hard surface like concrete or a deck, consider adding some feet or a small base to prevent direct moisture contact. Wood exposed to moisture and soil can rot quickly. I recommend applying an exterior wood sealant to extend your raised bed's life. Choose a non-toxic option that's safe for gardening. Apply it carefully, making sure to cover all surfaces but avoid the interior planting areas. Now for the fun part. Fill your pallet sections with high-quality potting soil. Don't use garden soil, it's too heavy and can compact. A good potting mix provides better drainage and nutrients. Consider the orientation of your pallet and the amount of sunlight it'll receive. South-facing spots are great for sun-loving plants like herbs, tomatoes, and peppers. If you're in a hot climate, you might want a spot with afternoon shade. Not all plants will thrive in a pallet garden. Choose compact varieties and plants with shallow root systems. Herbs are perfect. Think basil, thyme, and oregano. Lettuce, spinach, and small flowering plants also work wonderfully. Your pallet-raised bed will need some TLC. Water consistently, but avoid overwatering. The vertical design means soil can dry out faster. A drip irrigation system or careful hand watering works best. At the end of each growing season, give your pallet a once-over. Replace the landscape fabric, check for any structural issues, and maybe give it a fresh coat of sealant. Always use pallets marked HT, which stands for heat treated. Check local businesses for free pallets. Many are happy to give them away. Consider the pallet's previous use. Avoid ones that might have been exposed to chemicals. Have fun and experiment. Every pallet is unique. Hey Hydro Haven community, if you love this DIY garden hack, smash that subscribe button, and spread the garden love. Share this video with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Together, we're turning small spaces into green sanctuaries. Happy gardening, plant warriors.